So the first thing, what is the problem statement that we are trying to address? So, all the schools that we went to, we were taught about, you know, the reproductive system, how the egg meets the sperm, the process of fertilization happens, and, the child is born. But nobody is talking about what to do with the child once the child comes through. We don't know what to do. And that's why we struggle so much. And we don't struggle alone, we make our children struggle with us. And that's why I feel that parenting is a topic that everybody must learn. Just like we learn so many things, driving, gardening, phonics, drawing, calligraphy, sketching, painting, art and craft, so many things we learn. But the most important topic where you are not just responsible for your mental, emotional health, but your child, and your child is going to become a part of this nation, is going to become your future generation, and all the generations after that would be decided based on what you do with this one child. And this topic we take for granted and we like, ये तो मुझे पता होना चाहिए, ये तो मुझे आता है, मैंने बच्चा पैदा कर दिया, मुझे पता होना चाहिए. नहीं. आप जब डॉक्टर बनते हो आप 5 साल पढ़ाई करते हो. जब आप लॉयर बनते हो आप 5 साल पढ़ाई करते हो. आप एमबीए की डिग्री लेते हो, आप पहले 3 साल अंडर ग्रेजुएशन करते हो, 2 साल एमबीए, 5 साल सब चीज़ हम पढ़ते हैं. तो बच्चा हम कैसे बस पैदा करके अपने सामने मदर का टाइटल लगा सकते हैं? So it's very important to learn, and that's exactly what we are doing. And what is our mission? Our mission is to build happy families, to build a happy nation, and now there is a deeper mission, and something very close to what Hema brought up. So understand that all of us want our children to do better, our families to feel better, we want to feel better. And the only way for you to feel better is for you to shift your energy. Because nothing in your life will change till your energy changes. And your energy directly related to your child energy, family energy. How do we change our energy? How do I shift my mom energy? We cannot borrow energy from each other because everybody here is looking for more energy in the material world. So the only way for me to feel better and to get more energy is to connect with the divine, is to connect to God. There is no other way. You have to connect with God because that's who you truly are. And once you get that energy from God, then you transfer that energy to your child, to your family, and everything shifts. So our mission is to become a God conscious mother. So put GCM in the chat box. I want you to repeat this every day. I'm a God conscious mother and I'm raising a God conscious child. Let's do this together once. I'm a God conscious. Okay, I want all of you to turn on your cameras, at least for the activities. I don't put any pressure because we are all adults here. But for activities, I would love for you to keep your cameras on. I'm a God conscious mother and I'm raising a God conscious child. If you have more than one child, say I'm raising God conscious children. Because understand, we are all souls. We are not this body. And the soul is eternal. It lives forever. कोई lifeline नहीं है, हमेशा के लिए. So if you're raising a child, you're actually raising that soul. You're not raising this body of the child that you see. And that soul of the child lives forever. And if you do not, as a mother, teach your child how to be God loving, you are not doing real parenting. Because the whole purpose of the soul is to re-establish that lost connection with the divine. So you have to be God conscious. When you are God conscious, your child will automatically become God conscious. And God conscious does not mean they have to sit in the temple and pray for hours. Don't put that pressure on your children. They don't have to go for katha and satsang with you if they are not feeling interested. As long as in their heart they believe that God is the creator, God is taking care of me, God is protecting me, God is watching me, God is helping me. If I want, I can go to God. That's all. You've raised a God conscious child. You don't want to put that pressure कि आपको भागवत करना होगा, गीता सुनना पड़ेगा, जाप करना, वो अपने आप अंदर से आएगा. You should have some spiritual practices for yourself. So, God conscious mother raising God conscious child. I want you to repeat this every single day, at least once or twice. I'm giving you a guarantee from within. You will feel so strong. You will feel fearless. If you can, put a diya. Even if you're not a very religious person, there's no need for you to sit and do a lot of chalisa and all if it's not coming to you naturally. But light a diya. जो भी आपके घर का मंदिर है वहाँ पे आप एक सुबह को एक दिया जलाइए. सुबह शाम दोनों टाइम अगर कर पाओ then it's fantastic. If not, at least once before, if you're a working mother, before you leave for work, you do it. Right? So that's our mission. Then the code of honor. Now, code of honor is very important. Why? This is a set of rules that will allow us to work together as a community more efficiently. You know, just like every house has a set of rules, like no chappal on the bed, no chappal in the mandir, wash your hands before you eat, no food on the bed. So every house, be home by 9 o'clock latest. So every house has a set of rules, and that allows the house to function, because without some boundaries we cannot function, especially when you're in a community or in a family setup. Just like that, we have something called code of honor, which is basically aligned with our values, and it allows us to function beautifully as a family. So this is a family, easy parenting hub family, right? So the first thing that we follow here is we are very self focused. What this means is that we understand that if I do not take care of myself, I cannot take care of my family. So you're not doing this from a place that, oh, I can't do this, मैं अपने बच्चे के पहले नहीं खा सकती. अगर आपको भूख लग रहा है, आप अपने बच्चे से पहले खाइए. Why? Because you are the root of your family. You're the जड़. तो जब भी कोई पेड़ में हम पानी डालते हैं, हम कहाँ पे डालते हैं? We put it in the root. हम लीफ में तो नहीं डालते, फ्लावर में और फ्रूट में नहीं डालते. We put it in the root. Why? Because when it goes to the root, it goes to the branches, it goes to the leaves, flowers and fruits. So just like that, when you're watering yourself and taking care of yourself, that energy will flow to your child, to your husband, to your mother-in-law, father-in-law, and everybody is going to feel better. But if you do the opposite, that you're very busy taking care of your in-laws, your husband and your child, no time for yourself, the same husband, the same mother-in-law, father-in-law, even if they are good, they will start to annoy you. You will start feeling irritated. Not because they are not good, but because you're not taking good care of yourself. If this is a bulb, put BO in the chat box. Nobody is bad. बट अच्छे लोग भी हमें खराब लगने लगते हैं अगर हम अपने लिए कुछ नहीं करें तो. और वही सेम लोग आपको अच्छे लगने लगेंगे क्योंकि सब अच्छे हैं. सेम लोग आपको अच्छे लगने लगेंगे अगर आप अपना अच्छे से ध्यान रखोगे. सो दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. डू नॉट फील greedy, selfish. Even if people make you feel like that, you don't have to feel it, because you are smarter now. You understand that this is not just for me, this is for my family. The second is trust. You have to trust yourself. If you do not trust yourself, nobody is going to trust you. And I'm going to throw the bomb at you. Your family will be the last set of people to trust you. आप कभी भी कुछ अलग करोगे लाइफ में, फैमिली वाले लोग लास्ट में सपोर्ट करेंगे. एंड देयर इज अ बिग रीजन बिहाइंड दैट, बिकॉज दे हैव सीन यू इन ऑल फेजेस. They have seen you angry, they have seen you irritated, they've seen you shouting, screaming, crying, howling, not being your best. And when you tell them that I want to do something, they just cannot believe it. They're like, it's not for you. And same happened with me, and it same happened with so many mothers now in the platinum who are wanting to become parent coaches. But you have to trust yourself, and you want to tell yourself that maybe 2 years back I was not this person, but now I am. I have that intention to shift. I have that intention to become a different version of myself, a better version of myself. And in the beginning, you have to trust yourself. Nobody is going to come and trust you. And when you trust yourself, and when outside people will start seeing the shift, then your family will also notice the shift. So put T for trust in the chat, that you are going to trust yourself even if nobody trusts you. I am not bothered about other people trusting you. But I have a serious problem, and I take it very personally if you don't believe in yourself. If you say things like मैं नहीं कर सकती, मेरे लिए नहीं है, मुझसे नहीं होगा, मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है, I am not capable, that I will take very personally. Why? Because now you're in easy parenting, you have to think differently. You want to think better about yourself. Then the third thing, action taker. Take action. And action is nothing to do with results. I will tell you something which is also what Lord Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita. Your action is your result. आप जो काम करते हो वही आपका फल है. जो आपको लगता है आपका actual result है, that's not a result, that belongs to God. Let me give you an example. Like, if you are working in an iPhone factory, some of you know this, but some others have joined, so I want to share it for them. If you are working in an iPhone factory and you get all the raw materials and you use the raw material and you create an iPhone, can you bring the iPhone home? Yes or no in the chat? No, you was just assembling. You get rewarded for the effort that you put, but the phone belongs to the owner of the iPhone factory. Just like that, this body does not belong to us, belongs to God, belongs to the Creator. Your hand, your leg, your eyes, your mouth, your nose, your everything belongs to the Creator. Now, whatever you create using this body, the result belongs to the Creator because the raw material belongs to Him. What belongs to you is the effort, the karma, the effort that you put in creating that outcome. But some of us, we are so scared. We are so, we are so much in self doubt that we are not able to take any action. And you're not taking any action, you're not creating any results. Because your action is your result. And why are we not able to take action? Because we are very attached to the result which does not even belong to us. So I will, like all of you, this community, I keep saying Easy Parenting Hub, our community, actually belongs to God. What belongs to me is me showing up and doing this call. This is my result. Am I 100% honest? Am I showing up for all my calls? This is my result. My result, whatever breakthroughs you get. So let's say Smita here, she gets a beautiful breakthrough. Snehal gets a breakthrough. Pallavi gets a breakthrough. Those breakthroughs do not belong to me. I don't have the power to change anybody's relationship or to improve anybody's health. God is doing it for you. Through me, I'm a channel. So when you say that, ma'am, because of you it has happened, very quickly I'm giving it to God. Because it's not because of me, it's because of God that it's happening. We are all channels. And why am I sharing this? Because a lot of you are going to become coaches. So always understand your student results and breakthroughs to create those breakthroughs. And when you remember this, you will always stay humble, you will always stay grounded. Because without God's permission, we cannot even move this stinky pinky finger of our hand. So this is very important to understand. Agar you want to move forward in life, in whatever area, health, relationship, career, money, take action with love, without fear. Life is too short to waste in fear. Use that energy in service. We have energy that we can use in service, and we can use that energy in being scared and fearful. डोंट वरी अबाउट हु विल कम, हु विल नॉट कम, हु विल बाय. जिसको आना है वही आएगा. जो भगवान आपके लिए जिसको डिसाइड किया है वही आएंगे आपके पास. If this is making sense, put MS. None of you planned that you would be with me, but you're with me, and we are all together. God put us together. I did not even plan I will be a coach, but I became a coach. So there is something very powerful that's working. But that power will only work through you if you are in action, you remain in motion. Don't sit and think. Like Tony Robbins says, if you're in your head, you're dead. So come out of your head. Do anything, but do something. Then lifelong learner. This is so, so important. And this is an equation that I follow every day. Life equals energy. And the only way to change your life is to change your energy. How many of you think that you deserve a better life? Put D for deserve. That I deserve better. I'm also saying I deserve better because there's no end. We are always evolving, we are always growing. So I'm still working, work in progress. So put D for deserve. Yes? So if we deserve a better life, we need better energy. And how do we get better energy? The only way to shift your energy and the simplest way to shift your energy is to become a lifelong learner and a lifelong implementer. Learn something small, implement it. Learn, implement. And implementation कोई ये नहीं कि बहुत कुछ करना है. It's like in my thoughts, I'm not going to think wrong. I learned something that I don't want to think wrong. I'm not going to think wrong. There, you implemented it. How much time did it take? I made a decision that I want to not be scared of God. I'm just going to love God. There, you did it. So put LLL in the chat box, which means even in your sleep, if somebody pushes you and they wake you up, instead of saying that my name is Lakshmi, you are going to say, I'm a lifelong learner. Who are you? I'm a lifelong learner. Even before we say I'm Pallavi, I'm Pooja, I'm Tripti, we are first going to say, I'm a lifelong learner. And trust me, if you can make this, you will feel young, you will feel fresh. And I'm not bragging, I'm not boasting, but I've been looking the same since I'm 18. My weight is also the same, 51. Since standard 12, same weight, same, only my little hair has become white. Other than that, nothing has changed. Same clothes, I have some very old t-shirts also which I wear. It happens if you're a lifelong learner. And it's all scientifically proven. The chemical changes in your body, it will keep you young. You don't need any medication to stay young then. And cream and all of that. Of course, if you want to put, you put. But, become a lifelong learner. Then simplicity. The simpler, the better. We do not need rocket science kind of information, big theories and algorithms to feel better. Life is simple. And the more simply you live it, the more, imagine what we are doing right now. It's very simple. We are just talking to each other. There's no fancy PPT or a lot of, aesthetics or whatever. Because if I do so much, then probably I cannot do it forever. At the Platinum, we do those small, small calls. 10 minutes Ho'oponopo and then the chakra healing. This small micro calls, but it shifts, and it shifts because it's simple. And all of you are getting so many breakthroughs and you keep sharing with me. So put S for simple in the chat box. Simplify. Simplify your food. Simplify your clothes. Simplify, if you are taking too much time finding your clothes in the morning, sit one day for 15 minutes, decide your outfits for 7 days. Khatam. You're going to save so much time. If you're taking too much time deciding the menu of your house, it's a repetitive thing. Sit one day for half an hour, make a menu. Finish. Your brain space, you don't want to occupy with all this crap. So you simplify those areas which are repetitive and which are creating, tension in your life. Then growth mindset. This is so important. Challenges are gifts. If you do not have challenges in this material world, you are not making any spiritual advancement. How many of you would like to advance spiritually? If you would like to advance spiritually, put me in the chat box. And that's exactly why some challenges have been thrown at you. Now it depends on you. You can either make advancement or you can digress and go back, regress. Why? Because if you are not facing those challenges with grace, with ease, with dignity, with calm, peace, serenity, you are creating more challenges for yourself. But if a challenge comes to you and you have that spiritual knowledge which allows you to face those challenges with calm, peace, ease, grace, serenity, dignity, you can have more joy, love, acceptance. That challenge is the biggest blessing in your life. So let me give you an example. Let's say you have a husband who's always fighting with you. Challenging situation. How you face will decide whether you're advancing or whether you're regressing. Challenge same as supposing Tripti has a challenging husband. Let's say I have a challenging husband. So both of us have challenging husband. Now let's say Tripti is spiritually awakened and learning. She stays calm. I'm materialistically ego driven and I'm like, how dare he speak to me like this? How dare he treat me like this? And I'm fighting. And rehte I'm becoming worse than my husband also. Let's say. So what's happening? The same challenges which is helping Tripti to evolve spiritually, that same challenge is actually making me fall. But if you have a growth mindset and if you have a heart that is ready to surrender and learn, and you're not driven by your ego, but you understand your soul's journey, then you will be grateful for the challenge creators of your life. You will be like, thank you, आप इतने बुरे बने मेरे लाइफ में आके, क्योंकि आपकी वजह से मेरा उद्धार हो गया. Because of you, I am advancing. You are doing all these wrong things and you have been put in my life, and through your whatever you're doing, I'm being able to still stay calm, and because of that, I'm advancing. So all those challenge creators, you will feel grateful for them. There are many challenge creators even in my life. But now I don't look at them as challenges. I look at them as blessings from God. Because now I've understood that इनको डाला गया है मेरे लाइफ में मुझे इरिटेट करने के लिए, लेकिन मैं इरिटेट नहीं होंगी, क्योंकि अगर मैं इरिटेट हो गई, मैं स्पिरिचुअली आई एम फॉलिंग and I'm creating more problems for myself. So just to protect my ego for 20 years, 30 years in this material world, I'm not going to be foolish and I'm not going to trade off my spiritual journey for these 20, 30 years of temporary material ego satisfaction. Is everybody understanding what I'm trying to share? If you're understanding, put yes. A lot of us make this mistake. Don't do it. You have this human body for spiritual advancement. अगर आपने इसको वेस्ट कर दिया लड़ाई करके, झगड़ा करके और अपने ईगो को प्रोटेक्ट करके, मैं घर छोड़ के जा रही हूँ, मैं नहीं रहूँगी, कोई अगर चिल्लाए, आप अंदर अपने सोचो मैं चुप रहूँगी, क्योंकि अगर मैं चुप रही, मेरा स्पिरिचुअल कर्मा आ गया, पारलौकिक धन वो आपके साथ हमेशा रहेगा. That nobody can take away from you. And even if the other person is feeling that they are winning a fight, you in your heart secretly know you already won. If you love this, put love in the chat box. When you're fighting with somebody in this material world, let them win. Let them win 100 times. वो 20 साल के लिए ही है, 30 साल का विन है वो. पर आपका जो विन है ना, शांत रह के, that's forever. Nobody can take that from you. You don't have to justify that मैं जीत गई, आप हार गए, मैं spiritually जीती, आप materially. Don't do all that. You know it. And that's it. So when people say things to you, So many people say so many things. Family, you can be the biggest parenting coach, but for family, you're still family, right? So it doesn't matter. आपका बाहर क्या इज्जत है? कुछ लोग हैं, like my immediate family, amazing, but there are some extended people who have their extended dialogues, which I don't pay any attention to anymore. But I know that because of them, I am advancing spiritually, and that's good enough for me. Yeah, difficult to remain silent, and that's why spiritual advancement is not easy, but it is important, and we all want it. It's difficult, but do it because, you know, once you understand, it's not even difficult, truth be told. Once you understand what you're getting for what you're doing, it's not difficult. जैसे अगर कोई आपको बोलेगा कि आप 2 किलोमीटर, अभी अगर मैं आपको बोलूँ 2-3 किलोमीटर चल के जाओ, मे बी यूल फाइंड इट वेरी डिफिकल्ट कि 3 किलोमीटर कौन चलेगा गर्मी में. बट इफ आई टेल यू 3 किलोमीटर चल के जाइए, आफ्टर 3 किलोमीटर्स यू विल गेट अ डायमंड वर्थ 100 crores. Suddenly 3 kilometers like nothing. 100 crore worth of diamond I will get for just walking 3 kilometers. I am ready to walk 5 kilometers also. So some things are difficult because you don't know why you're doing it. But once you attach a big reason to it, the same thing becomes very easy. Now, how many of you think staying calm is easy? Put easy in the chat box. Easy because it's giving me something that nothing else can give. I stay calm, I get spiritual parlokik dhan. I get those points which stay with me for time, eternity. Easy. But staying calm generally not so easy because I didn't know why I was asked to stay calm. But now I know. So everything is easy when you know why you're doing it. And if I get angry, I know what's happening. So now I don't want to lose इतना मुश्किल से जो मैंने इकट्ठा किया है पॉइंट्स. जैसे आप पैसा कितना सोच के खर्च करते हो कि मैं फालतू चीज़ों में नहीं करूँगी, यहाँ नहीं करूँगी, वो नहीं करूँगी, इतना सोचते हैं आप. और जो हमारा स्पिरिचुअल पॉइंट है, जो which is invaluable, like you cannot even put a number on it, we are just wasting away every day. If you think that's crazy, put C for crazy. And it's not your fault. It happens because our soul is so clouded with this material energy maya that we have forgotten what we are supposed to do. And that's why connecting with God is so important, because when you connect with God, your soul is getting cleansed, and you'll remember who you truly are. You're very powerful. There is so much you have to do. Your main purpose is to serve. The quality of the soul is to serve. जैसे शुगर का क्वालिटी होता है sweetness, soul का क्वालिटी होता है service. Serve yourself, serve your child, serve your husband, serve your in-laws, serve others outside of your family. अगर आपको ह्यूमन बॉडी मिला और सोल मिला और उस सोल को आपने सर्विस में नहीं यूज़ किया, then there is no difference between us and animals. We are as good as dog, cat, cow, buffalo, donkey, whatever animal you want to call yourself. But we are so attached to money that I'll not invest in myself. Don't invest. What will you do? That money will go after 30, 40 years. You go, money will also go. So we are so attached to money that we will trade off our spiritual advancement. We will trade off time, energy, life, happiness, joy. But हम money को पकड़ के चलेंगे. It's foolish. How many of you agree? Put A for agree. So invest in yourself. Each one of you are worth 100 billion crores. अपने ऊपर इन्वेस्ट करने से पहले एक बार भी मत सोचो. एक बार भी मत सोचिए. At least that's my way of thinking. Then respect yourself. Do not criticize yourself, don't blame yourself, don't always find faults in yourself. Love yourself. What do we teach our children? We teach our children, love yourself, you're the most important. You are courageous, you're strong, you're powerful, you're amazing, you're loving, you're kind. ये हम उनको सिखाते हैं. पर आपका बच्चा वो तभी सीखेगा जब वो आपके अंदर ये सारी चीज़ें देखेगा. When they can see that my mom loves herself, my mom respects herself, My mom grows herself. My mom is a learner. So, till you do not take a stand for yourself, nobody is going to stand with you. I'm sharing this from my experience. I was somebody who was always available for everybody. किसी को भी कुछ करना है, रिद्धि हाजिर है. you know जो अलादीन के चिराग से निकलते, कि जिसको भी जो काम है, किसी को शॉपिंग लेके जाना है, रिद्धि है. किसी को कुछ रेस्टोरेंट में खाना खिलाने लेके जाना है, रिद्धि है. फॉर एवरीथिंग रिद्धि है, बिकॉज आई डिडंट नो हाउ टू से नो. And I felt that if I do it for them, that's the only way they will love me. And I was so wrong. The only way people will love you is when you respect yourself and you grow yourself. When you grow yourself, people look at you very differently. And now it's not just happening with me, it's happening with so many mothers, especially at Platinum. They keep sharing that, ma'am, my husband, who was not supporting me to join the Platinum, now that same husband has built an office for me. Ma'am, my husband bought a tripod and a light and a camera for me. Why is it happening? The same husband who did not believe in you, why is that same husband believing in you now? Because now you believe in yourself and you grew yourself. Same for me, when I started this journey of parenting, my husband was like, parenting kaun seekhta hai? Very nice, my husband, he loves me a lot. But sometimes they cannot see what we want for ourselves. जैसे अगर ये एक मिरर है, and इस मिरर में आप अपने ड्रीम्स को देख लो. Let's do this together. So put your left hand in front of you. All of you put your left hand in front of you. And I want you to see a movie on your hand. Whatever you have dreamt of or whatever your dreams are, watch that movie. Get inside that movie. Feel yourself living that dream life. Okay, I want all of you to do it. Nikita, Surbhi, Ramani, even if you've done it in the past, watch the movie again. Yeah. Now put your hand down. Now tell me one thing. What you saw, only you saw. Is there anybody else in the world who saw this movie with you? Put yes or no. Nobody saw. Including your husband. Even he couldn't see. So when they don't see what our dreams are, how can they even support us? So इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि आपके husband आपसे प्यार नहीं करते. They love you. Your family loves you. Your husband loves you. But their love for you might be different from their support for you. They might not be able to support you because they can't see your dreams. Are you with me? If you're with me, put yes in the chat box. So don't blame anybody for where you are. Whatever you are feeling in this moment, if you are feeling good, you are responsible for it. If you are not feeling good, if you are feeling stressed, anxious, lost, depressed, irritated, whatever you are responsible for it. कोई और रिस्पॉन्सिबल नहीं है उसके लिए. आपके हस्बैंड, मदर इन लॉ, फादर इन लॉ, चाहे वो आपको कुछ भी बोले, even if they are abusing you, still they are not responsible for your pain. So put IAR in the chat box. I am responsible. Your child, your husband, your mother-in-law, father-in-law, your parents, your childhood, your boss, your colleague, nobody is responsible for what you experience. You are responsible because whatever you experience depends on what you absorb and what you think. Nobody has the power to mess with you if you do not give them the permission. Then gratitude. This is very important. I want all of you to write 10 things that you are grateful for every single day. ये बहुत simple activity है, but this activity will put you closer to God. हर दिन आपको लिखना है. एक नोटबुक बनाइए प्लेन पेपर के साथ. रूल्ड भी चलेगा, प्लेन इज बेटर. And write, I am grateful for this beautiful gift of life. I am grateful for this human body. I am grateful for all the opportunities that flow my way. I'm grateful for my family, for my mission, for my tribe, for my team, for my purpose, for all things small and big that God has blessed me with. It can be the same sentences every day, it can be different. But please write this every day. Don't just say it, write it. Feel gratitude in your heart all day, all night. The fact that you wake up in the morning, feel grateful that you're able to breathe. Feel grateful that you were able to walk out of your bed. Feel grateful that you were able to walk till your kitchen and get some warm water for yourself. Because what you have, so many people would, do anything to get a life that you have. So feel grateful. So put G for gratitude if you are going to do this every single day. How many new mothers in this room? Put first time, FT. If this is your first live call with me, put FT in the chat box. Okay. A lot of you. One second. Yes, let's welcome all the new mothers into our Easy Parenting Hub family. So this is your space where nobody is going to judge you. They're only going to love you. You can cry, you can feel happy, you can express your wins, you can express your pain, your sorrow, your stories, everything. And I want a pinky promise from all of you. Okay, ready to give me a pinky promise? Yes, and the pinky promise is, now that you're in Easy Parenting Hub, I do not want you to cry alone. I don't want you to deal with your pain, your suffering, your anxiety alone. All of you have been added into teams. Please connect with each other. This is a very safe space. Nobody is going to judge you. You can cry, you can share whatever. I'll give you a very extreme example. Even if your husband is even if your husband is having an extramarital affair with somebody else, you can very easily share it with somebody in this room. There's no need, I'm not saying that you have to, but you can. It's a very, very safe space. And you will feel accepted, loved, well taken care of. कभी भी अकेले में ज़्यादा दुख के साथ हमें नहीं बैठना चाहिए. There is one thing called expression, express, suppress, and depress. So if you do not express, you will suppress. And when you keep suppressing for too long, you will feel depressed. So before it turns into depression, you want to control it at the wellness level. So there is wellness and there is illness. तो जब आपका wellness थोड़ा हिले, आपको पता चलेगा. You will know that you are not feeling fine. All of us, our body signals to us. The minute you know, you connect with somebody. And you share, you went out, you express. Do not keep it inside your body. Like garbage, none of us will keep garbage in our house. Because it will stink. And it will not feel good. Just like that, in your body, you don't want to hold on to stuff. Because when you hold it on for too long, it will pain inside. And that pain will not just be limited to you, it will get transferred to everybody around you. Because depression, anxiety, all of this is contagious. If you're living with a depressed person, it will get transferred to everybody. So put PP in the chat box. Pinky promise कि कोई भी अकेले नहीं डील करेगा. This community is here to support you. All of us are here for you. And you don't even always have to wait for me. We'll be meeting every Monday and Fridays. But supposing something happens on a Tuesday, I don't want you to sit with that pain till Friday. Go to your team group and just write, I want to connect with a mother. Can I please connect with somebody? I'm giving you a guarantee somebody will definitely connect with you. How many of you think this is the biggest blessing to have in today's day and time? Put BB in the chat box. Biggest blessing. But if you have a blessing and you are not using it, then that's silly. Use it. And when you're connecting, maybe if you're not feeling ready to share कि क्या चीज़ से आपको प्रॉब्लम हुआ, कोई ज़रूरी नहीं, आप कोई और बारे में बात कर लो, आप कुछ भी बोलो. So let's say Tripti, okay, she's not feeling good because of something that happened with her husband. Let's say, I'm just taking an example. Now she I want to connect with somebody, and she connects with Ramani. And when she connects, now she's just feeling, okay, I don't want to talk bad about my husband, or I don't want to say anything about my husband. Great, you talk about something else. Even that will make you feel better, because it will distract your mind from your husband topic. Is everybody understanding? If you are, put yes in the chat box. Talk about anything. Talk about the solar system if you want to. But just talk. Talking heals. Especially for women, it's the best medicine. Talking. So if you feel you're not comfortable sharing your problems from family and whatever, which I think over a period of time, once you make those kind of friends, you'll be okay with sharing and opening up. But in case you're feeling like that, talk about anything, but do not deal with it alone. Then stay connected, which means at least once a week you have to meet me. Now, I want to make a confession, or I want to give you a disclaimer. We will give a lot of messages on the WhatsApp group. I have tried everything. I've been doing this for the last 9 years, right? I know some of you are working mothers, some of you are homemakers, business owners, but I feel disturbing you on WhatsApp is very important, because your WhatsApp is anyway very disturbed. Now, if I do not put many messages, I don't get your attention. If you agree, put A for agree. And if I don't send you reminders, you will not remember that you have to join this call. Also, one other thing, it takes effort to send reminders. It's easy for me to put one message and forget. But I'm not here to just, you have come and my work. My work starts after you come to me. And whatever work I do it as a service to God, because I feel I'm serving God. This is truly God's work. This is no business for me, because even if I don't do anything, if I'm sitting at home and watching Netflix all day, my lifestyle will be exactly the same. So this is a mission, this is a purpose, and I feel I do what I do because God chose me to do this work. So I just want to say one thing, that the world outside is also full of noise. And when we say things like, oh, there are so many messages, oh, there are so many calls, oh, I'm missing this, you are actually depriving yourself from an experience. आपको टेंशन लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. एक तो लाइफ लॉन्ग है आपके पास सब कुछ, इट्स लाइफ टाइम. So it's not like you're really missing out on anything. In case you happen to miss a call, don't put pressure that I missed a call. It's okay, join the next call. But don't be like, oh, itna calls ho raha, I'm not able to catch up. You're not missing anything. The way it has been designed, whenever you join any call, you will feel you're learning something. And in case you miss a call, you don't miss anything, because every call is independent. That's how I've structured it. If you love that, put love. So आपको कोई, there is no need, some of you are like, ma'am, you're doing too many calls. Of course, I want to do too many calls, because I want to serve you more. If you are not able to join all the calls, that's okay. Come once a week. That much all of us should do. Even if you come once a week, your life will change. I'm telling you that. Your energy will shift, your life will change, your family energy will shift, your child will feel better. But some of us like, itna message aa raha hai, I'm going to remove myself from the group. Great, remove. If you remove yourself, you lose. So, just stay connected and be okay with the noise, because the outside world is. So, put I love noise. Put I love noise in the chat box. And I'm telling you one thing, the more you grow in life, the more noise. And you have to learn how to make your way through that noise. But if you put yourself in the habit of removing yourself from the noise, you cannot grow in life. No, all of you are in 2 groups, 3 groups, maybe whatever, depending on your, maybe platinum, more groups. I am in all the groups. So I have some like 120 groups or maybe more. And I get messages. You get messages in one group. I get messages in all those 120, whatever number of groups that we have. I don't get disturbed. I feel very happy that so many mothers are learning. You can look at the same thing very differently. that the world is becoming a better place. I'm waiting for the day when it will be 2000 groups and still it will not disturb me. Right? So put COH. Okay, there's one more. Is contribute. Do some, this is a very, I'm going to write not contribute, I'm going to put this seva. Why? Because, I used to put like do charity and all, but now I've understood that as human beings, we are not capable of charity. Why? Because nothing belongs to us. Your house, your money, your body, everything, nothing belongs to you. So if nothing belongs to you, what घमंड do we have कि मैंने इतना charity किया, मैंने इतना दिया, इतना हम सेवा कर सकते हैं. All of us can do seva. So do seva. You can do money ka seva, body seva, tan seva, man seva. Some form of seva you have to do. Because when you do seva, that's the true essence of who you are. Because you're not the body, you're the spirit soul. And the main quality of the soul is seva. अगर आप सेवा करने लगोगे ऑटोमेटिकली आपको अच्छा फील होगा. Go and teach children, or go and give food or cook food or do some money if you don't have the time. I used to do a lot of bodily seva पहले जाके, but अब उतना time नहीं है, so I do money seva, but I do some sort of seva. So this is very, very important. So if all of us are aligned with the code of honor, put COH in the chat box. Also, one other thing, if I see any links, any promotion, and I'm very strict about this, not because I'm bothered about you getting a little extra money, but because this is not the space. I don't want anybody to put any creative, any link, any promotion, not just for yourself, even for anybody outside. So let's say you go and learn from somebody, you cannot put the link of that person in this group, or their name, or anything to do with anything. If this is super clear, put SC in the chat box. This space is only for you discussing parenting, life, your issues, child, your wins, your breakthroughs. No links and no promotion, because it will just dilute the whole purpose of why we are here. So there is a way of doing something. So you want to do whatever you do in the right place. So you want to respect the sanctity of the space. And for me, all of you are like family. So it becomes I can give you one warning, but after one warning, if it still happens, just because the code of honor comes before all of us. So, this is what I learned from my mentor. Community, mission first, community second, me last. So if I feel somebody is coming and messing with the mission, I have to put the mission first. We will ask you to very respectfully leave the group. So this is something I'm very, very serious about. No making external groups on the side. If you make, you will be removed. And if somebody joins that group, they will also be removed. Because I feel if you're supporting the wrong, you're also wrong. If all of us agree with this, put A for agree. The person who is making, of course, not the right thing to do. But if somebody is going and joining that group, that also I feel is not right. Amazing. The next thing is things to check. Two things to check. First is, do all of you have access to your courses on the app? If you have, put yes. If you have access to your courses. Those of you who do not have it, please drop an email, or you go to the support forum channel. There is a support channel. So let me show you a few new features that we have on the app. I did show it once, but some of you are new, so I'll quickly show it to you. So when you come to the app, you'll go to this section called channels. You'll see these channels. Introduce yourself. So if you're a new mother and if you've not introduced yourself yet, Go to channels, go to introduce yourself, click on this plus icon, and then put a picture of yourself and write about yourself, so everybody would get to know of you. And I'm personally reading all these messages. So see, so many mothers have introduced themselves, and they put their pictures. Then second channel is share your wins. So if you are having any win, emotional, mental, physical, career, money, whatever wins you have, put your level of membership, that hi, I'm Jyotsna, I'm from the platinum membership, and this is my win. Hi, I'm Palak, I'm from the gold membership, and this is my win. So put your membership and your win. So you see, a lot of mothers are putting their certificate of completion, the action taker certificate. Looks lovely, right? Then accountability, this is only if you're a platinum mother, because once you become a platinum mother, we give you an accountability buddy to work with. So if you don't have a buddy, you can go and put here that hi, just write a little about yourself and just say that I want a accountability buddy so that we can work together. Then support forum is where if you have any problem, let's say you're not able to watch your courses, or you're not able to you're not added to a team, just go to the support forum, write the message, put your WhatsApp number. So put your name, your WhatsApp number, and your question, and then somebody will reply to you. Or you can drop an email at mail@riddhidevra.com. In case you're still not added to a team, please make sure you fill up this Google form. Super coaches, can you please share the form? In case you have filled it up and still you have not been added to a team, in that case, you write it in the support forum and somebody will definitely add you. So 2 things to check: course access, team access. If you don't have these 2 things, you want to reach out to the super coaches or write on the support forum. Then activities. So there is a good student checklist, and these are a few things that I want you to do every day. So let me share this with you. Yeah, don't worry, we'll do a lot of Q&A. Some of you are like, answer my question. How many of you think that this is very important, what I'm doing right now? If you think it is important, put yes. Because if I don't tell you how to learn, how will you learn? It's very, very important, especially those of you who are new. And even if you're old, revising the code of honor is very important. The points are the same, but every time when I do it, it will be very differently delivered. Correct. So this is what I want you to do every day. So this good student checklist, your super coaches will put in your team groups. Please take a printout. Take 12 printouts for 12 months. One sheet for 1 month. एक साथ ही 12 कर लीजिएगा ताकि बार बार नहीं करना पड़े. Then the first thing you want to do is you have to log into your app every day. So this is your school. So just like your child goes to school every day, you have to go to your school every single day. Second, you want to read your morning post. Every day in the morning, in the feed section, I create a post at 7 a.m. So let me share this with you. So if you come to the feed section at 7 a.m., I create a post. So see, this is the post I created today. Some 332 mothers have commented. So I want you to read this every single day and I want you to comment. If you start your day with this post, your energy will be very good throughout the day. The third thing that I want you to do is write 10 things that you're grateful for, which I already discussed. Fourth, 20 minutes of learning any topic of your choice from the app. And fifth is meet me live once a week. So if you do all of these things, you will be a very, very good student. And if you become a good student of parenting, automatically you will feel very calm and relaxed as a mother. So if you're going to do this 100%, put 100. This is not going to take you more than 30 minutes in the whole day. 15 मिनट सुबह, 15 मिनट शाम को. अगर रात को टाइम है, आधी घंटा रात को. If you do this every day honestly, it's so simple, it will save you so many hours. Because you will not be wasting time crying, fighting, shouting, feeling irritated, feeling less about yourself. आपकी लाइफ से इतना टाइम बचेगा कि आपके पास ऐसा लगेगा कितना टाइम है अभी मेरे पास, कितना कुछ मैं और कर सकती हूँ. So learning will actually create time for you. It will never take time. Then the point system. So you get points, which is called the super family point. So when you log into your app, you get 10 points. Let me just open all of these together. When you log into your app, you get 10 points. When you like a post, so any post that you go and like, you get 10 points. If you comment under a post, you get 20 points. If you finish 10% of your course, you get 100 points. If you finish 50%, you get 250 points. If you finish 100%, you get 500 points. And for coming live, for attendance, you get 300 points. Also, one other thing that I want to share with you, how many of you have finished the 3-day course? All the gold mothers. If you have finished it, put yes. If you have still not finished, put no. Yes, so those of you who have not finished it, please make sure you go and finish it. Yes. So it's very important when you finish this 3-day course, you will get a certificate which is called the Action Taker Certificate. Now, when you give that Action Taker Certificate, you also get a voucher worth 50,000, which you can use when you level up to the Platinum membership, which I feel all of you should have the intention to do, because that is your entry into a new life. Where to do the 3-day course? Okay, let me show this to you on the app. Yes, also one good news, we have automated the attendance on the app. So go to the feed section of your app. You will be able to mark your attendance now. So just go. Usually I will not do it so fast, but today I'm testing. So I want you to go to the app. You'll be able to mark your attendance straight in the app. On the feed section, you will get an option to mark your attendance. The Riddhi Devra app, Sejal. Did all of you get it? If you done, put done in the chat box. Marked your attendance? Yes. Awesome. All of you should have received on the feed section. Yes. So now we are going to do attendance on the app itself. No forms. So this is what you have to watch. One second. The 3-day course. So when you open this, there are some 19 videos. I call it the 3-day course, but you can actually finish it in like 2 hours. One second. I have to close a few tabs. It's on the feed. Super coaches, can you just help them out? Those who cannot find it. As soon as you open the app, it's on the feed section. All of you should be able to find it. Otherwise, update your app. Yeah, most mothers have done it. Those of you can't find it, just go to the feed, you'll find it. So this is the course. There are 19 videos. So day 1 has 5 videos, day 2. So you can actually finish it in one sitting. If you want, you can watch it in parts. So once you finish this 3-day course, on the top right, a button will get activated, which will say download certificate. You'll be able to download your certificate inside the app itself. And then when you show that certificate to the super coaches, or you tell them that, your team leaders that have finished, they will give you the 50,000 rupee upgrade voucher. So now when you get these super family points, you also get badges, which means if you get points between 0 to 30K, you'll get Ruby, between 30 to 50K, Sapphire, 50 to 100K Emerald, and above 100K, you will get an Amethyst. So how many of you are aiming for an Amethyst? Put A for Amethyst in the chat box, that I want an Amethyst. Amazing. It's easy. You just have to watch courses, like, comment, read on the app. You just want to watch courses every day, log into your app every day. That's most important. It's not about doing too much. It's about doing a little every day. You should be in the habit. Just like you go on Instagram every day, just like that, you want to get into your app every day. Give me PP for this, pinky promise, if you're going to log into your app every single day. For 2 months, I want you to put everything aside and I just want you to put your time, energy inside the app. I'm telling you, your energy will shift in ways you cannot imagine. Yeah, it's just a swipe. You just swipe it on the feed section, that's it. Then there are different membership levels: gold, silver, and platinum. Right now, platinum is a certification where you'll get 6 certificates: a parenting expert, life coach, NLP, Hope Nopo, relationship, and EFT. And plus, platinum is not just about parenting, it's about health, relationship, career, money. It's a family membership for you, your husband, all your children. In platinum, we have live sessions for children also. Now, you cannot join the platinum whenever you want to. You can only join when I do a showcase. But this month is it's different, and I will usually do a showcase once a month. This month, because it was Guru Purnima, we did a special lifetime platinum elite showcase, which happened on the 10th of July. Next month, August, it will happen during the end of August, maybe sometime. I don't know the exact date yet. But this time we have extended the elite by till 31st July. So in case you don't know about it or you want to know more about it, you can connect with your team leaders or with anybody in the team and they can help you out. So till 31st, you can become a part of Platinum Elite, because from next month, I will make it Platinum subscription. Right? Then, okay, all the Platinum mothers, I want you to put I love Platinum if you are in Platinum. And all the gold, silver, diamond mothers, I want you to put I am Platinum. I want you to affirm that. Because जब आप सोचोगे तो ही होगा आपका. Yes. Yes. So I want all of you to have this vision, because this is my goal for each and every one of you as a mentor. This is what I'm aiming for all of you. I want all of you in this room to be certified as a parenting expert, as a life coach. These 2 degrees are not just for you to make money. If you want to make money using these degrees, you will make a lot of money. But most importantly, this is for you to live a better life and for you to design a better life for your child. So even if you are a homemaker, you have to do this. Even if you are going to a job morning 9 to 9 in the evening, you still need to do this. So it is a necessity. How many of you agree with it? Put A for agree. That I agree that it is necessary for me and my family. It's not an option. Just like you do other forms of investment, gold investment, mutual fund investment, direct equity investment, insurance investment. This is an investment that should be on your portfolio. If you love this, put love. I'm not joking. And I'm telling you one thing, this investment will give you exponential return. Any other investment will give you 20, 30, 40 or maximum 100% return. So all of you should think of it like this, because when you invest in yourself, all your other investments will grow. And now we are seeing this live in Platinum. Mothers are making 40 lakhs from home, 50 lakh, 80 lakhs, 1 lakh, 2 lakhs a month. Different, depending on the type of action that they're taking. So I want all of you to set this as an intention. The second intention that I have for all of you is I want all of you to have the Super Family Award. This is so important. This is not an award that will be kept in your cupboard, but this is something that you will be living every single day of your life. And the third is the 5 lakh club award, which means when you come to Platinum, I'll teach you how to make money. And even if your family has a lot of money, I want you to make your own money. How many of you think that's important? Put yes in the chat box. So when you come to Platinum, you get an award, and now I'm going to launch another 50 lakh club award because some mothers have touched that mark. So I want all of you to have that, because it's not that we want money or whatever, but it's sometimes like, I want to make my own decisions. And when you have your own money, you're able to make your own decisions. And in the beginning, you might not have, for which you might have to ask. But when you invest in yourself, you get certified, you grow, then you can make your own money, which is so important. So, how many of you are accepting this challenge? Put CA in the chat box. Challenge accepted. That I'm going to be certified. I'll have the Super Family Award and the 5 Lakh Club Award. All the gold, silver, diamond, platinum mothers, everybody, I want you to accept this. Yes. Now, weekly updates. The only weekly update is Platinum Elite is open till 31st July. I'm not going to talk about it right now because I want to do Q&A. But I can show you where you can check out the details. Let me show this to you on the app. There are a few other updates on the app. I'll show that and then we'll get into Q&A. So if you see here, yeah. So if you see here, this you would not see. This is the admin. So community you see. So when you click on community, you'll get into feed and you'll get all the channels. Live calls, basically you can see all the calls that, depending on your level of membership, the calls will feature here and you can join the calls directly from the app. We'll also send you WhatsApp reminders, but if you want, you can join directly from the app also. Then the different courses you will see under the course section. When you come to stories on your app, you'll see something called stories. When you click here, you will see stories of what mothers are experiencing, right, in the platinum. So if you are making that decision, you want to see their stories, so you'll feel more confident, you'll feel more informed, and then you can go and make that decision. Then there is another feature. When you click on these 9 dots on your app, you'll see all of these Supermom retreats. So this is for the Goa event. This is the book, The Mother. So if you've not got a copy of the book, this is a book that will help you feel very calm, relaxed. It's not like a conventional storybook, but these are short 101 messages with beautiful poems, and you can get it directly from Amazon. When you click on it, it will lead you to the Amazon page. Then I've put all my socials here. In case you want to check me out on different socials, you can do that. And then the leaderboard is very important. So if you go to the leaderboard, you'll see all the top leaders. Let me also call out the names of the leaders. So just give me a minute. So the weekly leaders, just a minute. Yeah, so the weekly leaders is G. Suchitra, Dr. Monica Vedya, Anjali Agrawal, Prashanti, Asha Prithmani, Neha Gupta, Sneha K, Lakshmi Mihani, Satya M, and Satveer Kaur. Let's all put congratulations for all the weekly leaders. So those of you who keep watching, you'll keep getting super family points and you'll keep featuring. The monthly leaders are Dr. Monica Vaditya, Anjali Agrawal, G. Suchitra, Simrita Kaur, Prashanti Yarlagada, Priyanka Jha, Santya M, Neetu Agarwal, Asha Pritamani, Lakshmi Mihani. And all-time leaders Ritu Singh, Hiral Gala, Preeti Meena, Lakshmi Mihani, Shravani, Aarti Ankit Visavadya, Shreya Samani, Ankita Jaju, Supramita Patel, and Shilpa Gowda.